And here is the GoGonova cordless hot glue gun, and this thing is awesome. This is like something you've never seen before. First thing is being cordless, and that is because of the 20-volt lithium-ion battery. It's 1.5 amp. All you do is plug it in right here, just like that. Comes with the charger, and when it's ready, we'll put it on here, and it's already been charged, and then we'll turn it on. You've got an up and down for heat, and then as well as the power button right here that we probably have to hold to turn on. And then right down there is an LED screen, shows the Fahrenheit and Celsius, and it's going to start heating up. So we're at 185 already, and I'll just talk about a couple other things. Very good grip right here. Very nice trigger that's going to feed in the sticks, and it comes with 12 glue sticks. So let's start feeding one of those in there. Okay. Also the anti-scald. So on the very tip, of course, this is going to be hot, but here it's not a big cone-shaped piece of metal that you can burn on. It's kind of rubbery grip, actually. But there we are, already at 213 degrees, but very, very handy. Very handy to use. And if you're doing a lot of gluing and DIY crafting and things like that, this is the glue gun for you. So I was going to show you what it looks like once we get this heated up. 237 degrees already. And like I said, you can adjust the temperature. Right now it's set at 392 degrees. Or you can take it down 390, 388. So we'll just go all the way up to 392 degrees, but you can take it all the way down. What did I have it at before? I think I had it at 300 or something maybe. But you want to figure out for the project that you're doing how melted you want your glue to be, how runny you want it to be coming out of there. So we'll just turn this up to, let's just go to 375 degrees and I'll show you what it looks like. But yeah, great product. Definitely for sure. Let's let this heat up and I'll show you what it looks like with the glue. Okay, so it doesn't take very long to heat up. We're already at 311 degrees and I just wanted to show you what it looks like at 311 degrees. We'll probably still let it heat up a little bit, but I've already fed it in here. And let's do a little bit of close up so you can see just how much is coming out and what it looks like. So just like that, I mean, one little squeeze of the trigger is going to get you about that much glue, and just look at it, it's coming out just perfectly. And obviously you can keep your nozzle right there and just keep squeezing the trigger if you want more. But if you want a long stream, you just get a nice long pull like that, and boom. Let's stick another piece of cardboard on here, and just so you can see once that dries how good it glues together. But this thing is great. 325 degrees we're already up to right there, and done. And check out that tip. See, the tip right there doesn't drip, so that's what's awesome. You can kind of feel this rubbery part is a little bit warmer here. Definitely that metal end is going to be a little bit hotter. We're at 330 degrees already, so it just keeps on holding that same temperature and keeps going up. And I've probably only used maybe a quarter stick so far, but look at that. I mean, that's just coming out perfectly. And now I'm running out of a stick, so now it's time to add another one in there. So now we'll grab another stick and it'll start pushing on the other one to go in. And there we go. We are off to the next stick, which once this second stick gets fed in there, you'll still pretty much be working on that first stick. So this is actually a little bit dry, and I'm going to stick that on there and see what it does. Let's come back to this. Oh man, look at that. That hasn't been very long, and that is already on there. So definitely a great glue gun to use. Oh man, that's really on there, and that hasn't been very long. I can still feel it's kind of hot a little bit. So this is great glue. It gets it to the right temperature. Let's do a little test like this. Let's do a little sandwich. A little back and forth zigzag with the glue. Well, just like that. Let's close this up and let's wait about maybe 10 seconds and see how it does. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. Super strong. I mean, it's already done. It's already cooled off enough that I can't even peel this apart. Man, that is strong glue. That is a good That is a good glue. So definitely highly recommend a product like this from GoGonova. Thanks a lot to GoGonova for sending this out to review. Make profession easy. This is it. Being wireless and having a battery pack like this is amazing. This is a great product. I can highly recommend. Definitely go grab one of these.